Hey everyone, welcome to Support on Video, where we help you help your customers through video. I'm your host, Peter Barniecki, and in today's video, we're going to go over how to add printer marks and bleed to a PDF in Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in videos like this for your business, please visit supportonvideo.com. So without further ado, let's get started. When you prepare artwork for printing, a number of marks can be added to your file that can help your printer produce the desired results. In Illustrator, you have four options. There's the trim marks, which are fine horizontal and vertical lines that define where the page should be trimmed. You have registration marks. These are small targets outside the page area for aligning the different separations in a color document. You also have an option to add color bars. These are small squares of color representing the CMYK inks and tints of gray. Your printer uses these marks to adjust ink density on the printing press. Finally, there's the page information. This labels the film with the name of the artboard, the time and date of printout, and the color of each particular plate. If you're not sure which are needed for your file, consult your print shop. In this particular video, we'll cover the steps needed to add trim marks along with bleed. And in case you're wondering, bleed is the amount of artwork that falls outside of the printing bounding box or outside the crop area and trim marks. This is essential for printers if you need ink to go right off the page. So now that we have a quick overview, let's go into Illustrator. Okay, so here we are. I have Adobe Illustrator open and I have my artwork ready to go. As you can see, I made sure I extended my artwork past the artboard, which will act as my bleed. Be sure to enlarge or extend your image to look the same, otherwise the bleed won't work. Let's go ahead now and export that file. So go to File and Save As. If it's not done already, change the file format to Adobe PDF. Name your file and click on Save. The Adobe PDF setting window will open up. On the side, click on Marks and Bleed. Here, you'll see the different mark options we discussed earlier in the video. You have trim marks, registration marks, color bar, and page information. Click on the marks that you need. The bleed setting is right below this. By default, the Use Document Bleed setting is enabled. You'll want to disable this. This is where you'll see how much bleed you'll add to your file. Again, you can consult your print shop on how much bleed you need. To make sure you have an even bleed all around, click on the chain link icon in the middle. Then proceed to increase the bleed amount. Once you have the desired bleed amount, you're all set to save PDF. There you go. Now when you open up your PDF file, you should see something like this, a file with crops and bleed. Video is one of the best ways to help streamline your support channels. So if you liked what you saw here and need videos of your own, let's talk. Visit supportonvideo.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.